In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Asana for personal use 2025. Step by step. First, grab the Asana mobile app from the App Store or Google Play, install it, then log in using your email and password or sign in with Google or Apple. Once you're in, you'll land on your home dashboard, a quick snapshot of important tasks and recent work. Along the bottom, you'll see 4 tabs. Home is your overview. My Tasks is your personal to-do list. Inbox collects notifications and updates, and Search helps you find any task, project, or person. To create a task, tap the plus button in the center, choose Task, and add a clear task name. Use the description for details, set a due date, assign it to yourself or someone else, and choose the project where it belongs. Tap Create to save. If you already have a project open, you can add a task directly inside it. Tap Add Task, type the name, then open the task to adjust details, like assignee, due date, subtasks, attachments, and any custom fields your project uses. Navigating projects is easy. Tap the search icon, go to projects and select the one you want. Switch between list, board, and calendar views. Swipe to switch. List is great for linear work. Board fits stages like to do, doing, done, and calendar shows everything mapped by date. When you finish something, open the task and tap the check mark. It moves to the completed section. Break big work into subtasks by opening a task, scrolling to subtasks, and tapping Add Subtask. Give each subtask a name, an assignee, and an optional due date to keep dependencies clear. To share context, open a task and tap the paperclip to attach a photo, file, or something from your camera, photo library, Google Drive, Dropbox, or your device files. For quick collaboration, open a task, scroll to the comments area, type your message, and tag someone with the @ symbol and their name for visibility. Your My Tasks tab groups work into recently assigned, upcoming, overdue, and completed. You can reorganize by due date, priority, or sections to match your workflow. Check inbox for comments, assignments, updates, and project changes. Swipe left on any notification to archive and keep things tidy. Inside any project, open Calendar from the top menu to see tasks by date, drag them to reschedule, or tap a day to add a new task. In List View, use the 3 dots to add section and name it however you like. Finally, to share a project, tap the share icon, add an email, and choose whether the person can comment or can edit.